Welcome to Market Reflections, your window into global macro trends. This week, September 24 to 27, all eyes are on central banks and key inflation data that could set the tone for markets into Q4. Monday, central bank voices. On Monday, RBA Governor Bullock and BOE Governor Bailey take the stage. Markets will be listening closely for any hawkish signals as Australia battles sticky inflation and the UK grapples with slowing growth. According to Goldman Sachs analysts, any hint of extended tightening from the BOE could strengthen sterling in the short term, but risks further strain on the UK economy. Tuesday, PMI wave and Powell. Tuesday brings a flood of PMI data. Germany's flash manufacturing and services readings will be crucial for gauging whether Europe remains in stagnation or is finding a foothold. The UK and US follow with their own PMI prints, key indicators of business activity. Later, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. As Barclays notes, markets want clarity. Is the Fed still prioritizing inflation or shifting focus toward growth risks? Wednesday, Australia's CPI. Wednesday, Australia releases year-on-year CPI. Inflation has been cooling, but still above target. A hotter-than-expected print could push the RBA into keeping rates higher for longer, supporting the Aussie dollar. Thursday, Switzerland and US GDP. Thursday is dominated by Switzerland's SNB. A policy rate decision and press conference will test if the SNB maintains its tightening stance amid a strong franc. In the US, final Q2 GDP and jobless claims data arrive, critical inputs for Fed decision-making. City economists warn that any upward revision in GDP could revive rate hike speculation. Friday, inflation and growth data. Finally, Friday delivers Canada's monthly GDP and the US core PCE price index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. PCE could be the single most market-moving data of the week. A surprise to the upside might trigger fresh volatility across equities and bonds. From central bank rhetoric to inflation benchmarks, this week's calendar is packed with signals that could reshape market expectations. Stay tuned to Market Reflections, where we break down the noise and give you the edge in macro insights. Don't forget to subscribe and join the conversation.